Ever heard of a spiff? No, it's not a fancy new dog breed, although that would be adorable. In the cutthroat world of sales, spiff stands for Sales Performance Incentive Fund. Basically, it's a bonus program designed to light a fire under salespeople and get them closing deals left and right. But are spiffs a friend or foe? A magic potion of motivation or sales kryptonite? Let's dive in and dissect the good, the bad, and the ugly of spiffs. The thrill of the spiff, how it can boost your sales team. Imagine this, you're a salesperson, staring down a seemingly impossible quota. Then, your manager announces a spiff program. Sell X amount of product in Y amount of time, and you get a sweet bonus on top of your commission. Suddenly, that impossible quota looks a lot more achievable, right? That's the beauty of spiffs. They tap into the human desire for achievement and a little extra cash. They can create a sense of urgency and healthy competition among salespeople, pushing everyone to perform at their best. Studies show that spiffs can be incredibly effective in achieving short-term sales goals. Need to clear out some aging inventory? Spiff it. Want to push a new product launch? Spiff it. Spiffs aren't always sunshine and rainbows, potential pitfalls. But hold on a second, sales superstars. Spiffs aren't a magic bullet. In fact, if not implemented carefully, they can backfire spectacularly. Here's why. Short-term focus versus long-term vision. Spiffs are great for a quick sales boost, but what about building lasting customer relationships? A salesperson focused solely on hitting their spiff target might resort to high-pressure tactics or neglect customer needs to close the deal. This can damage your brand reputation and lead to unhappy customers who won't come back. Unethical behavior. Ever heard of the saying, "There's no honor among thieves"? Well, the same can be true for salespeople chasing a juicy spiff. If the program rewards the wrong behaviors, like selling the most expensive product regardless of customer fit, you might see a rise in unethical practices. Internal turmoil. Competition is healthy, but cutthroat competition is not. Badly designed spiff programs can create an atmosphere of hostility and resentment among salespeople. Imagine two reps neck and neck for the top spot, resorting to sabotaging each other's deals. Not exactly the teamwork dream, is it? So, are spiffs worth it? The verdict. The answer, like most things in sales, is it depends. Spiffs can be a powerful tool, but only when used strategically. Here are some tips for creating a spiff program that motivates without mayhem. Align spiffs with long-term goals. Don't just reward sales volume, reward sales that benefit the customer and the company in the long run. Set clear guidelines and track performance. Make sure everyone knows the rules of the game and monitor activity to prevent unethical behavior. Focus on teamwork. Create spiffs that encourage collaboration and knowledge sharing, not cutthroat competition. Remember, spiffs are a tool, not a strategy. Used correctly, they can be a valuable addition to your sales arsenal. But use them poorly, and you might just create a monster you can't control. So, weigh the pros and cons carefully before you unleash the spiff on your sales team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.